Gonna take it nice and easy. Ah, there we go, the gear's gone up. We give her a couple of clicks of up. Oh, this is such a beautiful flying aeroplane. It just comes straight back to you when you get on the sticks with it, how nice this is. It's got a lovely presentation in the sky as well. One of the undersung heroes of the Battle of Britain. Everybody knows the Spitfire, but the Hurricane was the workhorse, and I'm pretty sure claimed to the most air-to-air victories. Beautiful. Yep, was a great flying warbird, still is a great flying warbird. Fantastic model. Can be a bit tricky to land. We've got the sun the other way, let's come right back this way. Let's do a couple of circuits this side. I opted to have an open canopy in this one, just because I think it adds a bit of character. We're running a 4S 2900 Overlander pack. Pack's a bit tired. Right, I think we'll have another couple more passes, guys, then call that a day. As much as I want to fly this for much longer, I don't know what the health of the battery is. In fact, there's someone just about to walk out of the dog, so we'll make an attempt to land. We'll just bring the gear down, see what's going to happen. Have we got all of them? We've got all of them. Right, we'll go back round on another short circuit this way. Will it taxi back? No, it won't. Oh well, at least we got a decent landing. Whew. Right, well, there you go, guys. Hopefully the footage came out. I know the sun's setting and the camera likes to lose focus, but there we go, guys. That's my old trusty Dynam 2C Tropical Hurricane. Thanks for watching, guys.